Well, if you are watching this video from south of Grand Rapids, you are going to see a lot of rain this weekend. If you're watching it to the north, you are going to see lots of snow. It's just where that rain-snow line ends up will determine on what kind of precipitation you end up with. 13 weather ball blinking bright for rain and snow in sight tonight through tomorrow night, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. High temperature today made 43 in Grand Rapids, warmer than last year's high of 22. That was cold last year, and it was warmer than our average high, and that matched our forecast high. So that's a bullseye after a miss yesterday. We're back on track within 3 degrees. Your hourly planner here in Grand Rapids has all rain throughout the night and during the day tomorrow. Temperatures are going to not vary a whole lot, upper 30s to low 40s, and then they'll fall into the 30s during the day on Sunday. Here's the storm track. It's coming up just a little bit further north, not much further north, maybe about 25 miles or so. It's going to take it up over Kalamazoo, maybe a little bit further north to the Thumb area. So the rain and snow line has just been slightly creeping further to the north. Let's walk you through the forecast. Light rain will become a little bit heavier here in the next couple of hours. Notice not a ton of snow off to the north, but that is really going to blossom later on tonight. Travel impacts tonight are going to be very, very huge. If you draw a line right in through here, about M57, M46 to the north, that's where the heavier snow is going to fall. It may go a little bit further north during the morning tomorrow, but it will creep back south during the afternoon. So a lot of snow expected to the north, all rain from Grand Rapids pretty much to the south. And by Sunday morning, it is all out of the state of Michigan, and we see mostly cloudy skies to end your day. So let's focus on where the heavier snow is going to be. We look at 4 or 5 general models. This is our in-house model, which shows a good section of northern Muskegon County with 3 inches plus, but not much on the south end of the county. Once you get up toward the Big Rapids area, there could be 6 and maybe even higher amounts there. This is the American model, called the North American model. Again, general same vicinity with a heavier snow with higher amounts around Big Rapids and Ludington. And again, this is the European model, which has a little bit more robust snowfall in Muskegon, the city of anyway, but a good generous 6+ across much of the area all the way up north of US 10. The other American model has most of the heavier snow up around US 10. We'll see which model wins on out. But if you live in these areas north of Grand Rapids, generally north of Muskegon to Alma, you are going to be the higher impacted areas here this weekend. Long range outlook. This comes out every Friday. Starts weeks 3 and 4, starting the day after Christmas. Most of the country is going to have a high chance for warmer than average temperatures, and we have an equal chance of seeing more or less precipitation. If it's going to be warm, it's probably going to be more rain than snow. During the day tomorrow, winter storm warning remains in effect to the north. Winter weather advisory for Muskegon County. These are highs tomorrow, mid-30s north to around 40 plus further south. Colder up north. Highs tomorrow not much higher than the overnight lows, mid-30s there, with plenty of snow and some stronger winds, especially early on in the day. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll be around 41 to 42, but down toward Kalamazoo and Battle Creek, you could be approaching 50. 13 on your side forecast. Next week, virtually dry. There is a small chance of snow on Wednesday. Not going to put it in the forecast yet. Don't think it'll have any impacts. And we'll stay with the dry weather and seasonable weather by next weekend as winter officially arrives the following Monday. We may actually see some rain. That would be next Monday night.